Hi and welcome to the video. This video is being brought to you by Squeaky Clean Dave in conjunction with the Cleaning Guide. Now you might have seen one of Ashley McIntosh's videos recently where he went to Interclean in Amsterdam. If you saw that, you might have noticed that our very own Sam, who's doing the van build on the channel, was working for Unger on their stand at Interclean. So while he was there, he got talking to the people from Unger, telling them about the Cleaning Guide, and they were really excited to work with us. So this week we've had this massive delivery, loads of stuff off Unger. It's all stuff that's been used at the show, so they weren't able to resell it because it's all second hand, but they were more than happy to send it to us to review and to use and see how we get on with it. So in this video we're going to unwrap it all and see what they've actually sent us and see what we've got. So I'm going to start with the biggest box we got first. It's got a bit battered in transit by the looks, but it's all come from Germany. It was packed up after the show and now it's come to us. So to start with, we've got some 600 by 600 Ergotech Ninja microfiber wipes. They're the ones with the rough bits on the corners. Those are really good. I like those. I use those myself. We've also got a pouch, a belt pouch. We've got a bottle of Stingray liquid. Bit of a clue to what else is coming. We've got, this is the Ergotech washer. I'm not sure on which is which and what the names are. That looks like an 18-inch blade to me. A pair of Ergotech gloves. Those are the neoprene gloves. There's a little tap there with John Guest fittings on it. Another pouch, belt pouch. Oh, this is looking a bit more exciting. Now that's got a bit pushed down and bashed, but that, it looks to me like, I think that it's one of the N-Light multi-fed pole brushes. I'm not sure which one it is yet. We'll come back to that in a bit and try and work out which it is. You've got, I think that's the pad for the Stingray. More Stingray pads. Another brush. Again, it's got a bit, little bit bashed. A 4-inch scraper. These are really good. I got a couple of these. I got the 4-inch and the 6-inch, and they are really good. And the holsters really work well. Fantastic holsters they are. Also got a cone there. Now I think that cone is to go on the N-Light water-fed pole. Now what else? Another cone. Some packing. We have got here the N-Light extension gooseneck for the water-fed poles. Another Stingray pad. We've got the Unger green bucket with the strainer on it there and the blade holder. So you can keep that all tidy. What else? Oh, we've got more Unger microfiber cloths. These are really nice smooth glass cloths. Lots of them. And we've got another big Unger bucket. Running out of space here. We've also got the Stingray head. I've never used the Stingray myself, It'd be interesting to see how it worked, if it's any good, but I think Sam was fairly interested in this for doing conservatory roofs on the inside, so be interesting to see how the Stingray works, if that's any good. The ultimate indoor cleaning tool, Stingray quick pad. So more pads for the Stingray. Quite a few Stingray pads there. Those are the polishing pads, I think. So quite a few of them. And I think that's it in this box. This one looks in quite good quality actually. Packing, more packing, and we have the bucket on a belt by Unger, and a second bucket on a belt with a washer in it. That's quite nice actually, that Unger bucket in a belt. You've got a space there for 2 blades in there, and it got a space for a scraper in there as well, one of the small scrapers. So 2 buckets in a belt, drop those into there. And I'm sorry, but I don't know what all the different names are. That's a 40 degree, and that has got the swivel on it, so 40 degree blade. We've got some Unger green hose. Now this stuff is solid. I was on a job this week and they'd got a load of puppies and they were chewing on this, and I was sure it was going to burst a leak, and it didn't. So that stuff is really good. We've got another hanger here to go in the big bucket for your applicator. So now we've got some more interesting stuff, some more blades, another blade, right, the stuff that interests me more in here, oh, one more thing is the 6-inch scraper. Again, fantastic scraper, I really love that. Now, this is what I've really been looking forward to. This is the boar's hair Enlight brush. I've heard some really good things about this. I've heard that it's very grippy, very good cleaning power on the windows, so I'm looking forward to using that, really looking forward to that. So that's the shorter one, and then we've also got the wider one as well. So both with a rinse bar, both with a swivel head on them that's easy to lock, and both with the quick release fittings to take them off. So 2 lovely brushes there, really looking forward to trying these out. We've also got some of the other new Unger brushes. These are quite a short bristled brush. I think they think of using these if you were doing solar panels or leaded windows, something that the bristles are soft, but because they're short you've got really good scrubbing power with those. So again, we've got the 2 sizes of those, so both with rinse bars, so really nice brushes. All the items here will eventually, when we get round to it, be reviewed on the cleaning guide, and you'll also probably be able to find quite a lot of it as I use it on my channel as well. Now we've got one box left finally, and this is quite an exciting one. I think I'm going to need to move some stuff to get it up, unless I'm mistaken. I'm guessing this is poles. Now there is a pole, they asked me if there was anything particular I wanted, and there was one pole I was after, and the reason for that is I clean the windows at a mobile park home, and being a mobile park home, they're sort of big chalet type caravan type things, and they're all very low. So I spend a whole day cleaning on the park home. So I was thinking of getting myself a shorter pole. So I did ask them if they had a shorter pole they could send. So lots of lovely stuff in here. Really nice Ergotech tool belt, really nicely padded. Very nice to go with the pouches, and we've also got the unpadded one as well. Very nice again. In here we've got the, I think those are probably the extension poles for the Stingray. So you can make it up onto different lengths, and I expect they all fit together to get your Stingray up to quite a height. Now this is one of the poles I was very excited about. This is the one I was saying for doing the caravans. Could also be used as a trad pole, and I think it's, what is it, it's just under 2 meters. Just under 2 meters tall. So we've also got a carbon composite. I think that's a 6 meter carbon composite pole. This is the one that I reviewed not long ago, but I think Unger have actually done some work on these since I reviewed it. So it'll be interesting to see if anything has changed. So we'll see how that goes. We've got some more goosenecks here. Different length goosenecks. We've got a very long gooseneck there for getting right over sills. And then we've got the Enlight 24K carbon pole. This is the long one that they do, and it also comes with the extensions as well. So there's 2 extensions there. I think when you put all this up together, I think it comes out at about 45 foot. So another really nice pole. Interesting to use all this stuff, see how we get on with it. I have been using the 6K carbon for a while and I've got on pretty well with it, but we'll see. We'll go through all of this in time and let you know how we got on with it. So we'd just like to say thank you to Unger for sending us this massive amount of stuff. This blows me away how much stuff there is here. It's absolutely amazing. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Make sure you keep watching because there will be some giveaways soon on the cleaning guide, and also we're going to have a stand at the Cleaning Expo in September and there'll be a giveaway there as well. So if you're interested in any of the equipment you've seen here, we have got a money off code for you to use with the Cleaning Warehouse. Now the link to the Cleaning Warehouse is on the Cleaning Guide website. And if you use the code TCG5, you will get 5% off any order you make from the Cleaning Warehouse. So I hope you find that useful. It'll also help support the Cleaning Guide, help make more fantastic content for you. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.